just wanted to talk about Grizzly Plaza for a couple of minutes. I talked about the downtown revitalization and the heritage restoration downtown. So a big part of that was transforming this part of Mackenzie Avenue into a gathering place. So that's where they put in the bricks. I thought they still wanted to keep it partially open to traffic, so it still has one-way traffic. But that's when they added in the band shell for public performances and gatherings, and the grizzly bear statues. And the statues were created by two local artists who were they were miners, because they were mining to actually find the material to do soapstone carving. They actually had mining claims in the area, and then they were doing these carvings as well. And the carvings that they did were then cast in bronze by a foundry in the Silicon Valley. So that's where our bears came from. So they've been here since 1987, along with the band shell. And this really has become a gathering place for the community. Until the pandemic put a stop to things, there was a summer street fest every night in July and August, with music from the region and usually a different band every single night, free music. So that was really the goal of the plaza, was to create this gathering place.